Hey Taylor and Lisa, this is Arlene. I have uploaded a number of things to your storefront, but Taylor, you need to finish establishing the store in order to get this going. So that you know, what I've done is I've gone through and I've looked at these notifications, and they seem to be okay to me. Um, there are some questions. This platform does have a fulfillment center in Europe. They are located on the East Coast and West Coast of the U.S. and in Eastern Europe as well. So again, Lisa, getting back to those policies, we do need to to focus on that. Um, I've created an API key that's going to allow me to set up access from your website into the store. These are the carriers of what the shipments would entail. I've selected pretty much all of them. And the packing slip, I've uploaded a logo meeting their requirements and plugged in this information here. But I was thinking the return address, they suggest that you use the Printful's return address so they can process any orders that are necessary. And this is where you guys have to do a little homework. Resale certificate. You are a nonprofit, so you're exempt, but you need to go through this process. This is something I cannot do for you. And a VAT ID, that is, Lisa, as you know, that's in Europe. But I'm not really sure what that entails. And this is how to set up your pack-in. So I would just suggest that you read through this, because you can add things into your package, which could be a cross promotional piece or whatever. I mean, these are things that we can all discuss. Um, Going back to the storefront, um, so Taylor, what you've done is you created the initial account, and I've gone through and started the process in creating the store. So here is your store. I called it NCTV 18 store, and this is how you add a product. So I've gone through the process and set up a number of products in here, sort of going after, basic things that I think would sell. You can take a look, Lisa. I recommend that you go through these and look, but I think they look pretty cool. I've done a few things for women's style design. For example, the hoodie for women. I've selected a few colors that I think would sell pretty well. The only thing, let's see, you can edit the prices, you can edit the titles, you can do pretty much whatever you want. But I'm showing you let's look at the mock-up on here. So for the most part, on like hoodies that have a zipper, I put the logo on the upper left corner, and then on the back you see that there's a larger logo where the logo is modified so that it fills this space nicer. Um, and each product is slightly different. So if we go back to the store, you can take a look around. The children's shirt was very interesting to me, where it's called an all-over shirt. So if you kind of zoom in here on this design, you can see that the logo's blown up, which I think kids would find that to be cool. And then for the most part, on all of the guys' stuff, again, mostly black. And going into the product again, sort of using the same style design where you can, pick and choose different sizes. The guys mostly have black. And for children's shirts, they're mostly gray. Sorry, children's shirts are white, and the girls have a selection of color. So anyway, that's that. So I've uploaded a few products using vector files. So I had to create those vector files specific to the size of the shirts. And as you can see here, it says your store is not finished, is not ready yet. So you've got some products that are uploaded, but again, Taylor, you've got to finish this process of creating the storefront. So meaning, you know, that area where I was saying that you've got to go through and you know, finish setting up the other aspects that I was just reviewing with you. So I think that's it for now. So give me a call if you have any questions. But again, you've got to do your resale certificate and go through the process of just completing this setup. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend.